All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are live. Shout out to all my fourth and fifth graders. Drop a beat for my fourth and fifth graders one time. Shout out to all the fourth and fifth graders in the building. Okay. So here's the situation. Here's what we are rocking with today. We are rocking with 4-digit by 1-digit multiplication. So I'm going to take these shades off. We are going to get into it right now. So the strategy for solving this problem, very similar to 2-digit by 1-digit and 3-digit by 1-digit. You multiply all of the numbers by 4 and you start in the ones place. Only difference is there's more numbers to carry over. That's really the only difference. But we're going to start out by multiplying 9 times 4. As you can see, I have a show my work area over here. So 9 times 4 equals 36. This is a lot easier if you know the math off the top of your head. If you don't know the math off the top of your head, you can draw 9 rows of 4 and then count the total amount. But 9 times 4 equals 36. So the 6 is going to go in the ones place. The 6 is going to go in the ones place. And the 3 is going to go in the tens place. We're carrying over that 3. So now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply 4 times 4. And after we multiply 4 times 4, we have to add the 3 that we carried over. So 4 times 4 equals 16. Now, since we carried over the 3, we're going to add that to our answer. So 16 plus 3 equals 19. Now, again, anytime the product is 10 or more, we have to regroup. So since the product of 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3 is 19, since we have a total of 19 here, we're going to put a 9 in the tens place, and then the 1 we are going to carry over to the hundreds place. All right. Now, 3 times 4, we're going to multiply that next. 3 times 4 equals 12. But again, we have to add the 1 that we carried over. 12 plus 1 equals 13. And again, since the product is more than 10, we need to regroup. So the 3 in 13 is going to go in the hundreds place. And the 1 in 13, we're going to carry that over to the thousands place. So now we're going to multiply 2 times 4 and add 1 to our answer. So 2 times 4, make that really needed. 2 times 4 equals 8. And then we have to add the 1 that we carried over, plus 1 equals 9. Now again, 10 or less, we do not need to regroup. Also, there are no more numbers to carry over. So even if we had a number in double digits, we wouldn't be carrying anything over anyway. But I'm going to put a 9 in the thousands place. And do we have our answer? 9,396. All right, I'm going to do one more problem. Then we're going to end the video with some basketball, and we're going to call it a day. All right. All right, so 8,944 times 3. That'll be our next problem. All right, again, so we are going to start off, make this a little darker so you can see it. And I'm going to just draw a line to distinguish to show your work area. All right. 4 times 3. That's what we're going to start with. We always start by multiplying the digits in the ones place, which is right here. Right. Just want to check something right quick. All right. 4 times 3 equals 12. Again, if you don't know the multiplication off the top of your head, you can use a multiplication chart. Looks like this. You would just you would have one hand going through the 3 and one hand at the 4, one hand at the 3, and you would wait till the two of them met. 12. That might not be that easy to see. Next video, maybe I'll do another video on how to read multiplication charts. All right. So 4 times 3 is 12. So now the 2 and 12 is going to go in the ones place, and the 1 and 12 we're going to carry over to the tens place. Ooh, my battery is low. That's not good. How much time we got left? How much time? 12 minutes. That should be good. All right. 4 times 3. So we got to multiply 4 times 3 again now. Four times 3 is always 12. That doesn't change. But we do need to add the one that we carried over. So 12 plus 1 is 13. So now the 3 and 13 is going to go in the tens place. The 1 and 13 is going to go over to the hundreds place. So now we are going to multiply 9 times 3. 9 times 3 equals 27. So there's going to be a 7 in the hundreds place. And then the 2 we are going to carry over to the thousands place. Oh, but I forgot something. 9 times 3 is 27, but I forgot to add the one that we carried over. See, even grown-ups make mistakes. 27 plus 1 is 28. So the 8's going to be in the hundreds place, and then the 2 is going to get carried over to the thousands place. All right, 8 times 3 is 24. That's the very last one we're going to do, 8 times 3. 8 times 3 equals 24, plus the 2 that we carried over equals 26. Since there's no other digits to carry over, I'm just going to write 26 in front of the 832. So 26,832 is our answer. All right. I don't feel like punishing the whiteboard today, so I'm just going to end this video with some dunks. Actually, you know what? Before I do end the video with some dunks, I'm going to start out by playing some baseball. Now, growing up, I'm going to tell all of you, baseball was my absolute worst sport. But I still like to play everything, just for fun. So I'm going to play some baseball to start out. That ball is the strike zone. Pitching practice. That's a ball. Strike. Strike. Let's see if I can hit it with a curve. That curveball looked ugly. All right, let me end it with a fastball, and I'm calling it a day. All right. Now I'm going to go back to the sport that I'm good at, basketball. That was the Harlem Globetrotters theme song right there. For all these years, I still got it. Windmill. I'm going to end it off the bounce. Let's see. I'm going to do a few off the bounce. Off the bounce now. Woo! So all those users still got it. The no look pass. All right. That is my video for today. Please like, share, subscribe. And most importantly, leave something in the comments. Let me know if this video was helpful. Let me know if you have a good understanding of 4-digit by 1-digit multiplication. And also, write something in the comments. Write an example of a problem that you have difficulty with. If any student writes an example of a problem that they're having a hard time with, I can do a video on the problem that you put in the comments in the future. All right. Have a great rest of the day, everybody.